Moruru na morito maria maumanite na itua ria bururi wa Russia gutharikira bururi wa Ukraine ni mathiite na mbere kuiguika hongene itiganite cia urimi bururi-ini. Kurumirira kuhithuka kwa riboti ati bururi niuritwo ni gicunji kia 25 gia thoko ya mahua mabururi-ini ma ruraya EU.
Generally after COVID, or when COVID started, the industry collapsed completely. But some 2 or 3 months later, it picked up and it did well. And then, of course, earlier this year, this Russian invasion of Ukraine lost 20-25% of our market space. And that's slowly picking up again. You know, it's also good that you grow good quality, but you also want to go to a good market so you can find a premium price. Especially this Russian thing, fertilizers and chemicals have shot through the roof.
Undu uyu na kuri uguo kuruhanitio na kwabatira kwa garama ya muturire iria yumanite na mbaara ya Ukraine noguo gucungiriria kugwa kwa hinya wa uguri wa muingi wa mabururi maya ma ruraya.
The biggest challenge for us is to keep the production and to maintain the standard of production as our quantities increase constantly, and to keep treating each client, whether it is as small or as big, as the most important person. This is the biggest challenge and will always be the biggest challenge.
Undu uyu urahithukire hindi ya monanio ma mahua mwena wa Naivasha kaunti-ini ya Nakuru na maria mararehete hamwe makiria ma onjoria 200 aria marendaga kuonania mahua mao na indo ingi ciao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mura wa Gunyama.